guys, today we're showing you how to make some pan fried tofu. Yeah, we got some delicious tofu here, fresh from the Chinese supermarket. Just gonna cut it into some slices.
4嚿就得，5嚿就得。5嚿啊，揸仔啦，4嚿夠啦。啊，4嚿啊。切開個4嚿夠啊，5嚿啊爛啦。因為佢好嫩啊，嫩豆腐啊。
So you can see this tofu, it's a bit wobbly.
Very soft 啊。
Very soft, so we're just gonna cut it into like 4 to 5 slices per block.
你噴兩柱煎先就夠啊。咁樣啊。
Okay.
我燒興鑊先。
Okay, we're just gonna preheat the wok over here.
同埋有6親。
Okay, the pan is hot now. We just gotta put in some oil.
琴日有6親，今日有6親。
So much oil is like it's almost like deep frying the tofu, but it's not actually deep frying.
琴日有6親嘅醒鑊。
Okay, we're gonna put in the tofu now. 慢慢擠啊。
好切㗎，切到崩崩聲嘅，真係有啲難啊，
Guys, you must be careful when you do this. Oh, I think it's the water content.
有好多水啊！
Wow, it's splattering everywhere.
好多水。
使唔使用個蓋冚住啊？
點咗呢個少少都係咧，你就可以用個蓋嘅，你唔單咗個蓋冚住佢啦。
我諗下啲豆腐搭好似傾乾水先至擺落去啊嘛，係咪啊？
係咯，之後我啱洗飽咗啦。
I think guys, if you're gonna make this, make sure the tofu is dried completely before we do this. But we're hungry for dinner, so yeah, we're just doing it quickly. Okay guys, we're just gonna let it pan fry for now, for a while, maybe 5 minutes each side, and then we'll also put the rest onto the pan. Okay guys, we are preparing the sauce. So we're gonna have like maybe a quarter teaspoon of salt. Add 2 teaspoons of sugar. 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Also gonna add some soy sauce. So about 2 teaspoons. Okay, we're also gonna add 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. And also some oyster sauce. So 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. Add some water. Maybe like half a bowl of the water. Because we have a lot of tofu, we'll add more water. You just mix it all up.
你感覺得啲生粉唔夠咧，你就可以落多少少。
If you want to make the sauce a bit thicker, you just add more cornstarch.
快啲同你剪得拉啦，窿大啦，睇到啦。
Okay, guys. We were showing you guys how to make the sauce. We weren't looking after the tofu, but it's still good. Now we're just gonna flip it over.
窿啊，因為怕住要整嗰啲撚字。
Starting to burn, but we like that crispy crust.
煎到佢兩邊金黃色。
And fry them until they're golden crispy, just like fried chicken.
煎到佢金黃色，咁啊打撚個芡喺個。煎到佢兩邊都係咁樣。香味全係咁。
Look at that, guys. Now just pan fry that other side, and then we can throw in the sauce. And we're just gonna flip it over to see if it's ready or not. Okay, not that ready. Cook it for longer. Okay, guys, we're putting on our second batch. After these are done, we're gonna pour in the sauce.
而家薄一仔啦，個淋晒啦。
Alright guys, the second batch is ready. Now we can put in the first batch in and then we can pour in the sauce and cook it with the sauce, and this will be a delicious dinner. Pan fried tofu. Look at that. It's gonna be a delicious meal. Okay, we're pouring in our sauce now. Because the sauce has
審茶通同埋審芝麻。
because the sauce has cornstarch, so while you're cooking this in the tofu, it will start to thicken up. And then when it thicken up, all the sauce will stick onto the tofu, and this meal will be very tasty and delicious. Okay, we're just gonna let it dry up a bit, and I'll show you guys again. Oh, but first we're gonna sprinkle with some delicious scallions.
一沖仔落嚟啦，佢啲冇你爆爆啲都冇做。
Right. Yummy. Okay, we also got sprinkle some sesame seeds.
又靚啲，又香啲，又好睇
You
啲。
can see the flame is up on high, and then the sauce is starting to thicken up, as you can see.
又香啲又好睇啲。嗱，你感覺得佢夠汁咧，就別得滯咧，睇下嗰嚿面先。
Guys, you can also taste your sauce.
好正喎，
It's very tasty.
好正喎。
好正。
so nice。好香喎，啱味喎。
You can see. This is thickened up.
嗱咁樣兜溫佢，咁啊全部有晒味啦。咁啊嗱，咁啊100% number one。搞掂。
Okay.
得。
You can eat this now, guys. It's time to plate.
咁啊，入得啦。
Plate this. Yummy. Let's plate this delicious dish. Can't wait to eat this. Wow, smells so good. So good.
陣間多少汁咧，就放埋佢落去啦。
Yummy, yummy,
我
yummy.
隻羹喺上，我隻羹喺個
Guys, if you like what my mom made tonight,
紅燒豆腐，
please give this video a thumbs up
紅
to
燒
give her
豆
some
腐。
credit. If you want us to make any other
而家仲
dinners,
夠靚，
please
仲要再
subscribe to our channel and comment below.
紅燒殺豆腐。
Sprinkle some sesame as well.
早擠豆腐
Oh
落去咧，
yeah,
而家咁樣
look
好
at
啲啦。
that. Oh,
而家咁啊number one啦。
wow, look
咁
at
啊，我隻
that.
羹，
Mm.
我隻羹。
Guys, you must try this out.
Easy job.
Easy job.
Yeah, easy job.